Okay guys, I'm here with Second Officer Raven and he will show us how to update ECDIS 9201 Model S. Okay, so at first
we have the old type updating through NavTor. Take the USB. Okay. Take the USB and then put this one on the USB hub. See this? Okay. Now you already put the USB inside. First thing first you do is to menu and then go to code input. Well, the code, this will usually it depends on your company. Because the code will be depends on the company.
Yes.
So now we are now inside this waiting for loading.
You will be exited to the navigation.
Yes, navigation planning.
Yeah.
Route planning. Now we are now in the task menu for chart maintenance. Click the chart maintenance. Just wait for a while.
Yeah.
It will take.
So
Now again, we are inside the chart maintenance. To update your ECDIS with this model 9201S, click the import and update charts. Yes, and then ENC. Then this one on the from the following path, browse, make it F only, or the SanDisk, the USB only. See here, F, and then press automatically. Wait for a while. Then select all. Then now she's updating 50 charts.
Yeah. So you have 50 charts. He will update about 50 charts also. And after that loading, updating, what will happen?
Okay, done updating. All imports already done. So go to home. And then go back again to import update charts. Again ENC. Now we already finished updating the chart inside. Now we will update the AIO of all the charts. So let's say to browse again. We will press the info arrow down and then press the AIO folder. Okay. And then okay. Press automatic and then all.
So almost the same step but different folder.
Yeah, different. Now we are updated with the AIO and also our chart. So we can go home and then we can check the status. See our license. We have inside 1,320 license chart inside.
Yes.
So now we can go back to our navigational planner, Navi Planner, exit.
Wait for a couple of seconds then.
Not seconds, minutes.
Minutes. Okay.
Now we go to route planning or route monitoring.
So the next step will just checking the update if already updated.
Yes. We will check the dates and time. No, the dates of the chart.
Yeah. And the week of updated.
Yes. Now we are on this Navi Planner. We go to menu again. Then go to chart setting and arrow down ENC updates report, and then we will check if our if our ENC review status report is week 24. So now we are present week 24. Updated date is
June.
June 12.